Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a professional price list on Canva. Super simple. You can either go to just the templates or you can even open it on like your project. You're just going to type in price list and you're going to find one that suits your business the best. For instance, you sell food. So let's just open this one. Okay, I can't use this one because it's a pro feature. Let's find one that's free. This one. Customize this template. And then here you're going to type in your business name. For instance, my business name, it's not real, but sweets. I don't know. And then here you're going to type in your actual menu with the right currency, of course. Let me just type in burnt cheesecake. And then also adjust this so you can put on the price. I won't change the price because it can't be bothered right now. Carrot cake. I love carrot cake. And you're just going to edit it, and you can even change the elements according to your like bakery or like your business. For instance, I'm selling carrot cake, so type in carrot cake here, and find some like free elements that suits the like design. Let's see. I'll just use the one that's this one. I'm just going to place it on here. Super cute. And you can obviously edit the rest and stuff. But that's how you can create a price list on Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.